Namaskar friends, Jai Hind once again. Today I have come with pictures for all of you to present about the great living Chola temples in Tamil Nadu. These temples derive their identity from the empire under which they were built in the 11th and the 12th centuries. These include the Brihadeshwara Temple at Thanjavur, the Brihadeshwara Temple at Ganga Kunda Cholapuram, and the Aravateshwara Temple at Tarasuram. The Brihadeshwara Temple at Thanjore is also known as the Big Temple and was built by Raja Chola I in the year 1010 AD. This temple celebrated its 1000th year of existence in 2010. The tower above the Sanctum Sanctorium is almost 216 feet tall. The rounded structure right above the tower is cut out of just one rock and weighs almost 80 tons. And this was the reason why I felt that I will not be doing justice to the temple if I don't show you the pictures. The temple complex also has a Nandi. If you can see, I have circled it yellow. This Nandi, the sacred bull, is placed outside, made again from a single rock weighing 25 tons. The Shivlingam is said to be 29 feet tall with a circumference of 54 feet. The Gangaikonda Cholapuram was the capital of Rajendra Chola, the son of Raja Chola I. He conquered several northern kingdoms to bring the holy waters of river Ganga to his kingdom. As a mark of celebration, he created a liquid pillar of victory called the Jalmai Stambh, a tank where the kings contributed Ganga water as a tribute to the conqueror. Hence, he was called the Gangai Konda Chola. The Chola king who bought the Ganga and the town was named after him. The temple dedicated to Lord Brihadeshwara, located here, is similar in many aspects to the temple in Tanjore and is described as its feminine counterpart. There are some striking, and let me just showcase them. So there are some striking sculptures of Mahishasur Mardani, Nataraja, Ardhanareshwari, Chandikeshwara, etc. Which some, I could not show you everything, but at least some glimpse or some idea we can get from it. The state Archaeology Department unearthed the remains of a royal palace constructed by Rajendra Chola I at a site in Maligamittu, which is just 2 kilometers southwest of Gangaikonda Cholapuram. The third temple in the site is the Aravateshwara Temple, which was built by the Chola king Raja II, which derives its name from the story of Eravat, the white elephant of India, as it is believed that the sacred elephant himself worshipped here. The main shrine is the Alankar Mandap, which is visible here in this picture, which has the appearance of a chariot. And the unique temple design is recognized as Nitya Vinod, which means the one which causes perpetual entertainment in mind. The temple complex at Tanjavur was recognized by UNESCO in 1987, while the temple complexes at Gangaikonda Cholapuram and Aravateshwara were added as extensions to this existing site in the year 2004. To take a virtual tour, dear friends, as I have shared in the first slide, the hyperlink, please visit artsandculture.google.com, where the Archaeological Survey of India has done some remarkable work and from where I have taken these pictures. Stay tuned. Jai Hind. Namaste.